Hi guys, this is video number 4 in the chapter of linear programming, and in this video we'll continue from the previous examples. We were doing graphical representation of single linear inequations on the graph. Okay, now we'll do graphical solution of a set of linear inequations. So multiple inequations in the same sum to be plotted on the same graph paper, and you have to come out with the solution. Right, so let's begin. We have here x plus y less than equal to 5 as the first inequality and x plus 2y less than equal to 8 as the second inequality. Basics remain the same. You make it into an equation. You get the coordinate system, the coordinates which will help you to plot these as lines on the graph paper. So मेरे पास यहाँ पे because it is x plus y equal to 5, I've got 0, 5 and 5, 0 very easily as the coordinates. You can see them. I've plot 0, 5 here, 5, 0 is here, and a line joining them represents x plus y equal to 5. The second one we have 0, 4, 8, 0. 8, 0 is here, 0, 4 is here, and I have also joined them to get the line x plus 2y equal to 8. The idea is now to get a common solution of the two inequalities. How do you do it? Let's first individually get the answer of both of them, and whatever is common will be the answer to this particular set of inequations. So the judgment will remain the same based on the 0, 0 only, true or false. So I will first pick up the 0, 0 and I will put it in the first inequality. So I have 0 plus 0 less than equal to 5. This is true, right? Because 0 is less than 5. So turns out this is true. So if this is true, then this point is in the correct region. All points in this plane now, you just have to visualize this line on the graph paper, not this line. So all the points which are below this line, because this is the correct point, will satisfy this particular inequality. So now I should not rather mark the entire, shade the entire region, but just put a representation of it that we are talking about this side of the line. Okay, next we'll discuss this particular inequality. Again take the 0, 0, again put it here. You have 0 plus twice into 0 less than equal to 8. This is also true because 0 is less than 8. So we are once again in the correct region for the second line as well. This is your second line. Okay, if for this line also this is the correct point, then we are talking about points below the line. So once again the arrow which is going to point below. Okay, now you need to find the common solution. How do you narrow down to the common solution? Is you just need to find out. See, whenever you have two lines, you will get 4 regions, right? See, an intersection of two lines gives you 4 regions. One of it is the correct answer, that's all. So we have here, this is one of the regions. Okay, disregard the axis. This is one region, this is second region, this is the third region, and this is the fourth region. Look for a region which has 2 arrowheads. If I talk about this region, this particular arrow is in the opposite direction. Only this arrow lies in this particular region, so this is not the answer. If I talk about this region, then there is no arrow. See, in this line also the arrow comes down, in this line also the arrow comes down. I do not have any arrow in this particular region, and therefore this is discarded. Talking about this particular region, this triangular region, okay, only this arrowhead is there. This arrowhead should have been there. अगर ये इस तरफ होता तो ये solution बनता. In this case it is not, so this is discarded. By common sense, only one region is left should be the answer. Let's check it also. In this particular region, this arrow is also coming inwards and this arrow is also coming inwards. You have 2 arrowheads in the region, and therefore this is the solution of the given set of linear inequations. Right? Let's take the second sum. Entire system of solving until the point where I've drawn the lines remains the same. Equation, coordinates, lines on the graph paper remains the same. So we just skip that discussion and we go to the point directly. That is to get the answer of the region, common region. Okay. I'll again do the same thing. Take the 0, 0 and put it one by one in each of the inequations. जैसे यहाँ पे आप put करेंगे 0, you're talking about 0 greater than 7, which is absolutely false. And if you talk about this particular inequality, you have 0 greater than 8, which is again false. So the point you have taken is actually giving you a false result, which is therefore indicating that it is not a point of this of the region. 0 is not a point of this region for this line. Talking about this line only, 0 is not part of it, right? It gave a false, so it is the opposite direction. Talking about this line as well, 0 gave me a false output. 0 is not part of the solution, so entire region is discarded. We'll take the opposite region. Look for 2 arrowheads, same technique. I can see they are here. Okay, so this is going to be the solution for the given set of linear inequations. Okay. One can conclude that if all the inequalities are positive, okay, coefficients are positive, and you have less than signs, then you are talking about the region which is inside. And if you have greater than signs, remember everything should be positive, you are talking about the region which is unbounded, okay, towards the top. This is a general conclusion which will help you a lot when solving the linear programming in the second part of the chapter. Okay, it is not always the case that both the inequalities will have the same sign and you will get everything positive. So you can expect the answer to be in any one of these. Plus they can also increase the number of inequalities. So there might be 3 inequalities, and therefore now no longer 4, but you get more than 4 regions, and therefore in that sum it will be all the more challenging to get the answer of the solution because you have a lot of regions to work on. Go by this technique of making the arrowheads and consider the region as a solution if all the arrowheads, meaning arrowheads, one arrowhead per line, are pointing in that particular region. In due course, when we take up these sums in the exercise, we'll get different combinations, so we'll understand different regions coming up as the answer, but these examples are sufficient to make your concept strong.